everybody, and welcome to today's video. We are unboxing our Boxycharm premium box for April. Oh my gosh, if you guys saw, well, I don't know which one will go up first, but I just finished filming the Boxycharm Base box for April, and what a show. I was all over the place. So anyways, these just arrived. I'm super excited about it. I haven't been into them, so let's go ahead. Quick disclaimer if you're new here. Hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we're gonna sit back, relax, chit-chat, unbox, play in makeup, have a good time with makeup, do all the things over here with makeup, and classy, never trashy. Let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so this was sent to me complimentary to unbox and review for you guys. So it did come together with my base box. So I'm gonna go ahead and mail it. I'm gonna go ahead and weigh it on my mail scale for y'all. And it does come to a total of 2 pounds, 2.7 ounces. So when I do receive my paid for boxes, I will be back to unbox those for you guys. I'm still waiting on my add-ons as well. Let me know if you guys have gotten yours. So if you are new to the Boxycharm premium box, the premium box is $35. It is monthly. You do receive about $175 worth of goodies in here, and you do get to customize 2 of the items in here. Now, because this one was sent to me in PR, I did not do any type of customization as far as that went. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Ooh, okay, so this is what it looks like when we open up the box. There is a card in here, and the cards are themed every single month, and this one is Boxycharm Sweet Treats. On the other side, we do have a list of everything that is in the box as far as the retail value goes. Now, the first thing right on top is the Nails Ink London Crystal Ball Roller Gloss Duo. Now, is this for your fingers, or? It just says the glosses are infused with real crystals to stimulate lips circulation and wake up. Oh, ooh, that's cool. I'm telling you guys, I mean, I really feel like since like I put some crystals around here, I have much more positive energy and like a bit more calming. I mean, let's be honest, my ADHD is not going to go anywhere. My scatterbrainness probably not going to go anywhere, but I definitely feel more zen when I sit down and have my crystals around me. So anyways, so I have to open these up. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. So it looks like we have rose quartz and amethyst in here. I could be wrong. Find love, and this one is heal yourself. Look how cute these are. Like, do you see the crystals down there? Like, ignore the fact my nails are chipping. I'm a mess right now, but it's okay. I want to open these. Oh my gosh, I am so intrigued by these. Huh? Oh, this is for my lips. I did read that, right? Yeah, I think so. I don't smell anything, but that's definitely glossy. That is really pretty. I like stuff like this. Okay, I'm gonna put this on my nightstand. So little information about this. It does say that it is by Reusable Cosmetics Crystal Ball Roller Gloss Duo. $24 retail value. It says the roller ball to date has landed with the crystal roller ball, a cool and soothe lip. Thank you. It is for my lips. That is good. The glassy formulation is infused with crystals to stimulate lip circulation, wake up the chakras, enriched with nourishing and hydrating properties. It is definitely hydrating and comfortable, and I do like it. I do like that a lot. Nothing that I would have thought to like pick up for myself. I mean, maybe if I was shopping around and I came across it, I'd probably be like, ooh, I need that, but whatever. Okay, so the next item in here, ooh, okay, so make sure to, if you want to see a look created with this palette to subscribe, because I got these packages late in the day, so I'd already had my makeup on. I filmed on my other channel, which I normally do like a neutral look when I'm filming like clothing try-on hauls. So I do have my Luster Charm palette on for a nice like pretty neutral look that goes with like everything. This is from Alter Ego. It's actually a dupe for the Pat McGrath Divine Rose palette, and this one's only like $19 and change. So anywho, I will be coming back and using the palette that I received in the base box, as well as I will come back and create a look with this palette. This is the iconic London Sunset to Sunrise palette. Now, we've received the iconic London palette in the past, not this one. Oh, it's hard to tell because of the backing on it, so I'm sorry with the glare and everything, but it is really pretty shades. Like, isn't that gorgeous? I'm so into purples now because of that OFRA Cosmetics and Samantha March. Look, you can see I was like swatching. Ooh, this yellow. Oh, I already done that finger. Oops. Let's clean it off. You guys, I'm in rare form. Probably because it's like really late into the day and I never filmed this late. But ooh, that's so pretty. Okay, so I will come back either on Instagram over here and create a look with this palette. I feel like it's going to be easier to do it that way anyways, like a dedicated video using that, because it'll be easier to follow along. And again, if you follow me over on my Instagram at hotmessmomma4, I do pop up little kind of like tutorial videos where they're really quick, like a couple minutes long, so it's easier, so you don't have to sit through a whole video. So a little information about this palette. It does have a retail value of $62. It says the eyeshadow palette is the perfect summer companion. The 20 highly pigmented shadows in a selection of matte shimmers and glitters will make your eyes pop with a fine silk-like formula. The range of versatile shades take you from day to night in an instant. Is there? Yeah, there's a couple deeper shades in here. That is really pretty. I mean, I wish my camera could pick that up better, but ooh, this Moonlight, hold on, Moonlit. Oh, that's gorgeous. That would be really pretty as a highlighter. Like, really pretty as a highlighter, right? Oh, okay. We will definitely be playing with that. The next item in here is the Nature's Luxe Willow Reusable Bamboo Makeup Pads. I love these. I have received some in some other subscriptions. These are nice. You can just throw this little satchel right into your wash and wash these pads because they are reusable. So if you're like me and you're just not into like, well, okay, if you're like me, you're forgetting to pick up like the cotton pads and all of that. So these are super helpful. Hold on, let me open it so I can show you guys. This little satchel is so cute. And so you get these in here, and then you can dab whatever you need and then like remove your eye makeup or your makeup. And a little information, these do have a retail value of $20. It says these antimicrobial and hypoallergenic reusable bamboo pads are designed to remove makeup, cleanse, and apply toner while reducing waste to the environment. Use the mesh bag included for the machine. You can throw it into the washer and the dryer. And I'm sorry, there's actually 4 of them, not just 3. And I'm telling you, these are so nice. And you know, like it says, you don't have to worry about the environment because you can reuse these. So it's one of those things, because the only time now that I ever use a cotton ball is like if I'm doing my what is this? This is my nail polish, which obviously I need to do. See, this is why I don't film later in the day, guys. I turn into a mess. So I do want to mention that the iconic London was a choice option because you do get to pick 2 items as far as that goes. The next was a choice, and this is the Nars Blusher. This is in the shade, I don't even know how to say this. We're going to go with 4034. I'm going to get so much hate, but judgment-free zone. Okay, so little information about this. Okay, first of all, it's Nars Blushers. These are like iconic. So this color... Oh, I I do not have this in my collection. Do you know why? Because I would be scared to purchase this. I have to touch it. Oh, that's not as scary as I was thinking. Like, oh yeah, that's fine. I thought this was gonna be like, you know. Hi, if you're new here, I am not professional. This is not a professional channel. We're here to have fun. Be crazy and goofy. A little information about the Nars Blusher. It does have a retail value of $30. The cult favorite, best-selling blush delivers a weightless, natural-looking rush of cheek color in matte, satin, and shimmery finishes. What shade did you guys pick? Because this was a choice, and I want to say there was like 5 different choices to choose from. Which one did you go with? Because if you went with this, you are a brave soul, my friends. You are a brave soul, because again, when you swatch it, it's definitely like my camera, I feel like my lights are gonna wash it out, but it's not as scary as I would have thought. Like, you can definitely build that up. I feel like that would be really pretty as a eye color too. Okay, so we will be coming back and using both of those together. I've got a couple more products here. The next one, ooh, this is the Dose of Colors. Ooh, this is pretty. Eyeliner, and it looks like it's in, it says Maybe Baby. Is this really a green shade, or is this just the packaging? No, I think it's gonna be green. It is. It's like a forest green. Ooh, that's pretty. That's, again, not a shade that I would have thought to pick up, but I think could be really, really pretty, especially with some of the shades in here, because we have like those sun bronzy colors. So I think that would be very like complimentary. Okay, so the last item in here, oh wait. So a little information about the Dose of Colors eyeliner. It does have a retail value of $15. The long-wearing creamy eyeliner glides on easily, delivering a transfer-resistant, high-coverage matte finish with built-in sharpener included. Oh, I missed that. Oh, okay. So I just recently, as sad as that is, learned about that. So how cool is that? You can just, there you go. Okay. Honestly, though, I would much prefer a twisty thing than these sharpeners, because I am Queen Klutz 99% of the time. So I will lose it, drop it, move in the middle of trying to sharpen it, and it's just a mess, but whatever. Okay, so the last item is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. Ooh, and soft matte. So last month, I think it was, we had the Fenty foundation, which I told you guys is so pretty. It is a soft matte type of foundation. So for me, even though I have normal to dry skin, I just make sure to just really moisturize my face really well, and I don't have any issues with it. So I'm definitely curious to try the primer out. I want to say I tried this back when I had really, really oily skin, and it worked well. Don't know how it's gonna work for me now, but we'll definitely check it out and try. Okay, let me go ahead and total everything up for you guys. Okay guys, so this box is $35 a month. You do get to customize 2 of the items, and just a little reminder, the 2 items that we customized, well, that they customized but you would get to pick, I did not, only because it's PR, was the Nars Blush and the iconic London palette. Keep in mind, one of your choices was a Natasha Denona 5-pin palette, just saying. So anyways, those are the 2 customized items in the box, but my box did come to a total of $183. And as far as this box goes, $35 for this box, I think we got some really good products. And like I always tell you guys, when it comes to subscriptions, I always try and keep an open mind about them, because one, they'll put things in there that I never would have thought or knew even were around or existed. And for someone who is dabbling in crystals, learning more about crystals, I'm really excited to receive this. And by the way, it's still on my lips, and I like the fact that it's not sticky or glumpy. That's not even a word, but it's just really smooth and hydrating. And it's like one of those things where I feel like if you know, when you're doing like your self-care and everything, this is definitely something that you'd want to put on your lips. I'm definitely going to keep that on my nightstand because I am just all about this. I just think they're so cute. And again, we're getting like name brand high-end products for an affordable $35. Now, if you guys have been with me for a while, you know that I kind of cut back on my spending, and I feel like for me, subscription boxes are where it's at. You know, I'm getting so much more for my money, whether it's picking up the Boxycharm Base or Premium box, or and then just shopping the add-ons, picking up one or the other box and shopping the add-ons, whatever it is. I feel like I save so much money just sticking with more subscriptions and then only picking out and purchasing the things that I truly really want. You know what I mean? Let me know you guys' thoughts down below. Have you, since signing up for Boxycharm and other subscriptions, do you find that you're saving money? I mean, now don't get me wrong, when pop-up and add-ons roll around, girl does some damage, but I'm saving so much money that I feel like it's okay. Anyways, guys, that's all for today's video. Let me know your thoughts on this box. What is the standout product for you? For me, I'm gonna give it, this is gonna be kind of corny, it's kind of gonna be a tie. I think it's gonna be a tie between the iconic London eyeshadow palette, because you know how much I love eyeshadow palettes, and the Crystal Rollerball lip glosses. I think these are so freaking cool. So anyways, guys, don't forget to give me a follow over on my second channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs, where I do a lot of plus size curvy girl fashion hauls. And I just filmed a Torrid haul, which may already be up or will be going up very soon over there. Don't forget to give me a follow over on Instagram. And until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.